Alrighty guys, you guys got yourself a Sun Joe electric dethatcher and you want to change the attachment. That's real simple. You're just going to take your dethatcher, you're going to turn her upside down. Now you got two bolts right here. These are 10 millimeter. Take your driver of choice and just take the bolts out. Of course, don't lose your lock wash and your washer. Oops, of which I almost just did. Once you get those out, we're going to be taking off the scarifier, and we're going to be putting the power rake on. So you're just going to pull that right out of there. I'm going to clean mine off while I'm getting it out. That way, I don't know, I just want to clean it off. Take this, whichever one you're swapping out, take it off. And then whichever one you're putting in, you're going to take the hex bolt of that, and you're going to slide it right over into here to the hex socket or whatever. And then you're going to turn this other side to where the rounded part is facing down to fit into the rounded part inside. So get that other, get the one side lined up, then you can get this side lined up pretty easy. Maybe slide her down in there. And it doesn't take much, she's just resting there. Go ahead and finger start your bolts. That way you can make sure that your threading's right. You don't want to get it all whopper jawed and then mess everything up. Switch your driver over to in. Tighten the bolts and you're done. You've swapped that out. Now of course if I want to swap the other one out or back in, you just do it the other, same way. They're both the same setup. It's just this one's a power rake. This one's a scarifier. And I decided I wanted to use the power rake. So if you need to swap your attachment out, it's that simple. Two little bolts, line it up, and of course, rounded end goes down towards the machine, and then your bolts go right into these two holes. Hope you found that useful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. All three, or it doesn't matter, one or two. It really helps the channel out. Bye.